It's time to say goodbye to the Staples Center and give a warm welcome to the Crypto.com arena, aka the Crypt. So guys, Crypto.com was able to make an agreement with AEG, the owner of Staples Center, and the name will be changing as soon as December 25th. Staples Center hosts a slew of events, but most notably, they're the home arena of the Lakers, the Clippers, the Los Angeles Sparks, and the Los Angeles Kings.
And Crypto.com, the people who are taking over the naming rights for Staples Center, they are a crypto exchange platform. They have over 10 million users. They operate in over 90 countries, and they offer a variety of up to and even over 150 different cryptocurrencies. Of course, they have NFTs, DeFi, all that good stuff. But that's who Crypto.com is. You can even download their app right now.
Crypto.com purchased the naming rights to AEG for $700 million. Woo! Over the next 20 years. To compare that to Staples Center, their deal was only $100 million for over 10 years. So Crypto.com is really putting a foothold in the game.
This Crypto.com deal is so important because it's streamlining crypto adoption by the entire world. Of course, you know, with them being able to rename Staples Center is making it more apparent that crypto is going to be more of a worldwide thing and more people are going to be using it. But this now means that they're going to be able to have different crypto incentives for the fans, for the players, for the teams. Everybody's going to be able to either use their app, use their credit cards, or just in general be able to kind of get invested into cryptocurrency or dabble and, you know, dip their toes in the waters of cryptocurrency and really get something really nice out of this Crypto.com deal. And of course, this is over the next 20 years. So as the blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystems get built out, this will become a more robust and more profitable thing, not only for Crypto.com and the AEG people, but it's also going to be more profitable and rewarding for the fans, the players, and everybody else I just named. So yeah, I mean, things are really looking up, really looking up.
But guys, so this is gonna drop on December 25th. Oh yeah, it's coming soon. Lakers versus Nets. I'll see you guys there. It's gonna break the internet. It's gonna be dope, and we can't wait to see how it all plays out. So who else do you guys think needs a name change? I'm looking at you, Smoothie King Arena.
Hey, something gotta happen. Somebody gotta get out of here. We need the crypto.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to see more blockchain-based names for sure. So let us know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Peace.